The content creators struggle ideas that resonate. Creating content is hard. Finding ideas that truly connect with your audience is even harder. It's a constant challenge to come up with fresh, engaging material that keeps people coming back for more. You pour your heart and soul into your work. You hope it finds its audience. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. It's a roller coaster of emotions. The struggle is real. The pressure to create can be overwhelming. You're constantly second-guessing yourself. Is this good enough? Will people like this? Will it go viral? It's easy to get caught in a cycle of self-doubt. You start comparing yourself to other creators. Their success can feel intimidating. You start to question your own abilities. It's important to remember that every creator faces these challenges. It's part of the process. The key is to find strategies that help you overcome these hurdles. You need to find ways to generate ideas that resonate with your audience. This is where tools like Google Trends can be incredibly valuable. Finding your niche can be a journey. It takes time and experimentation. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to fail. Learn from your mistakes. Keep creating. Keep pushing yourself. Eventually, you'll find your groove. You'll find your audience. The algorithms grip a race against time. The algorithm is a mysterious beast. It's constantly changing. What works today might not work tomorrow. It's a race against time to keep up. It's exhausting. You feel like you're constantly chasing the latest trend. You're always trying to figure out what the algorithm wants. It can feel like a losing battle. The pressure to stay relevant is immense. You see other creators succeeding. You wonder what their secret is. You start to doubt your own approach. You feel like you're falling behind. You start to question everything. It's easy to get lost in the algorithm's maze. You can spend hours analyzing data. You can try to reverse engineer the algorithm. But it's a futile effort. The algorithm is constantly evolving. It's impossible to predict. The best approach is to focus on creating great content. Content that resonates with your audience, content that provides value, content that is authentic. The algorithm will eventually reward you. Focus on the long game. Don't get caught up in the short-term fluctuations. Google Trends, a beacon in the content maze. Google Trends is a powerful tool. It can help you navigate the content maze. It can help you find trending topics. It can help you understand what people are searching for. It can be a game changer for content creators. Google Trends provides valuable insights into audience interests. It shows you what's popular right now. It shows you what's gaining traction. It shows you what's losing steam. It's a window into the collective consciousness. Using Google Trends is easy. Simply enter a keyword or topic. Google Trends will show you the search volume over time. It will show you related topics. It will show you geographic interest. It's a wealth of information. By understanding what people are searching for, you can create content that meets their needs. You can create content that is relevant. You can create content that is timely. You can create content that resonates. Unveiling trends. Navigating the Google Trends landscape. Navigating Google Trends is simple. Start by entering a keyword or topic related to your niche. For example, if you create tech videos, you might search for virtual reality or artificial intelligence. The results will show you the search interest over time. Google Trends presents data in a clear and visual way. You'll see a graph depicting the search volume over a specific period. This allows you to quickly identify rising trends, seasonal patterns, and overall interest in a particular topic. You can customize the time frame and location to refine your search. Beyond the main graph, Google Trends offers related queries and topics. These sections provide valuable insights into related searches and emerging trends within your chosen area. This can spark new ideas and help you uncover niche topics that might be gaining popularity. Explore the different features of Google Trends. Experiment with different keywords and timeframes. Dive into the related queries and topics. The more you explore, the better you'll understand how to use this tool to your advantage. Section 5. Selecting winning topics, aligning trends with your niche. Choosing the right topics is crucial. You want to find trends that align with your niche. You want to create content that your audience will be interested in. This is where Google Trends can be incredibly helpful. Start by brainstorming a list of potential topics. Then use Google Trends to see which topics are trending. Look for topics that are gaining traction. Look for topics that are relevant to your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different topics. Try creating videos on topics that you're passionate about. Even if they're not currently trending, your passion will shine through. And who knows, you might just start a new trend. Remember, your audience is key. Create content that you know they'll love. Create content that provides value. Create content that is entertaining. Create content that is informative. Create content that is engaging. Section 6, optimizing for success: titles, tags, and thumbnails. Optimizing your content is essential for maximizing reach. This includes crafting compelling titles, using relevant tags, and creating eye-catching thumbnails. These elements work together to attract viewers and improve your video's visibility. Your title is the first thing viewers see. Make it concise, intriguing, and relevant to the video's content. Use keywords that people are likely to search for. A strong title can significantly impact click-through rates. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to categorize your content effectively. Include keywords related to the trending topic you've chosen. Accurate tagging helps your video appear in relevant searches. Thumbnails are visual representations of your video. They should be visually appealing and accurately reflect the content. A captivating thumbnail can entice viewers to click and watch your video. Section 7. My $13,000 Google Trends triumph: a personal story. I was struggling to come up with new video ideas. My views were down. I was feeling discouraged. Then I discovered Google Trends. It changed everything. I started using Google Trends to find trending topics. I created videos on these topics. My views exploded. I started making more money than ever before. One particular video, based on a trending topic I discovered through Google Trends, went viral. It generated over 1 million views. It earned me over $13,000 in ad revenue. It was incredible. Google Trends helped me understand what my audience wanted. It helped me create content that resonated. It helped me achieve success. Section 8. Simplicity and power: the Google Trends advantage. Google Trends is incredibly powerful, yet it's incredibly simple to use. Anyone can use it. It's a free tool. It's readily available. It's a game changer. The simplicity of Google Trends is its strength. You don't need to be a data scientist to use it. You don't need to be a marketing expert. You just need to be curious. The power of Google Trends lies in its ability to provide valuable insights. Insights into what people are searching for. Insights into what's trending. Insights into what's popular. By leveraging the power of Google Trends, you can create content that resonates with your audience. You can create content that performs well. You can achieve success. Section 9. Join the conversation, sharing experiences and subscribing. I'd love to hear your experiences with Google Trends. Share your success stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Let's help each other succeed. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I share tips and tricks on how to grow your YouTube channel. I share my experiences. I share my knowledge. Let's build a community of creators who support each other. Let's share our knowledge and help each other succeed. Let's make a difference together. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your fellow creators. Let's spread the word about the power of Google Trends. Section 10. Future-proofing your content: staying ahead of the curve. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial in the ever-evolving world of content creation. Google Trends allows you to anticipate future trends and prepare your content strategy accordingly. By monitoring emerging trends, you can position yourself to capitalize on rising interest and maintain a consistent flow of relevant content. Regularly checking Google Trends can provide valuable insights into the shifting interests of your target audience. This allows you to adapt your content calendar and create videos that align with current and future trends, ensuring your content remains engaging and relevant. Utilize Google Trends forecasting capabilities to anticipate future search patterns. This forward-looking approach can give you a competitive edge, allowing you to create content before a trend reaches its peak, maximizing your potential reach and impact. By incorporating Google Trends into your content strategy, you can gain a deeper understanding of your audience's evolving interests and create content that resonates with their current and future needs, ensuring your channel remains relevant and successful in the long term.